Hello dear, today we will continue solving exercises about algebraic expression. It's exercise 4, page 79. The first one, develop each of the following products. A equal 3x into 2x plus 3. How to develop and what do we mean by that? This means that 3x is multiplied by 2x plus 3 in all. We have to multiply 3x by 2 and then multiply 3x by 3. How? We can say that it's a 3x multiplied by 2x. Then we have plus here, so we write it 3x multiplied by 3. As we said before, we multiply the coefficients by each other. So 3 times 2 is 6. X times x, it's x to the power 1 times x power 1. We have the same base, so I just write the base and add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. So x times x is x power 2. Similarly, 3x plus 3, I have to multiply the numbers by each other. 3 plus 3 is 9, and then we have x. So 3x into 2x plus 3, when we develop it, the answer is 6x squared plus 9x. Part B. It's x squared minus 2x plus 5. The same idea is applied. We have to multiply x squared by minus 2x and then multiply x squared plus 5. Plus x squared into 5. Now, we have here the coefficient is 1. So 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. X squared times x is x power how much? Let's add the exponents. 2 plus 1, since we know that a to the power 1 is a. So when we write x, it's the same as x to the power 1. X power 2 times x is x to the power 3. Let's move to the other one. X2 times 5, we have to write the coefficient first and then the variable with its degree. That's how do we develop. Part C, minus 2x multiplied by, this is a polynomial, it's the sum of monomials. What should we do here? We have to say it's minus 2x multiplied by minus 3x squared. Then it's minus 2x multiplied by 4x. Then minus 2x is multiplied by minus 1. How to solve it? Minus multiplied by each other, so it's a plus. We know that if we have the same sign multiplied by each other, minus or plus, their answer should be positive. We have here even number of negative signs. Why? Plus multiplied by a minus or minus multiplied by a plus, we have odd number of negative sign, so the answer will be negative. Minus times minus is a plus. 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x power 2, it's x to the power 3. Here we have minus 2x multiplied by 4x. Minus, we write it, 2 times 4 is 8, and x times x is x squared. Here we have minus 2x times minus 1, minus times minus is a plus, and 2x times 1, every number or a variable multiplied by 1 remain the same. Now, part D, here we have a fraction. It's 4 over 5x into 5 over 2x minus 5 over 4. Again, we have to say it's 4 over 5x multiplied by 5 over 2x plus 4 over 5x multiplied by minus 5 over 4. We multiply it by the first term and then by the second term. That's how we develop or expand. Okay, here we have a fraction multiplied by another fraction, so we'll multiply the numerators by each other and the denominators by each other. Here I can simply say that we are multiplying by 5 then dividing by 5, so we can simplify it directly. We still have 4 over 2, which is 2, and x times x, which is x squared. Now here we have plus multiplied by minus, which is minus 4 and over 4, we can simplify them, and 5 over 5 is 1, so the rest is 1. The answer is 2x squared minus x. Part E, it's here from our book, minus 2 over 3x into 9 over 2x squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2. What should we do? We have to multiply minus 2 over 3x by the first term, by the second term, and then by the third term. How? We can write it minus 2 over 3x multiplied by 9 over 2x squared, and then minus 2 over 3x multiplied by minus 3x, and minus 2 over 3x multiplied by 3 over 2. Okay, here, let's start. 2 over 2, we can simplify them. The sign is minus. 9 over 3 is 3. X times x squared, it's x power 3. We have the same base, I have to add the exponents, okay? Then, let's move to another one. Minus times minus is a plus. 3 over 3, it's a 3 over 1, and when we are multiplying the fractions, I can simplify them. 2 over 1 is 2, and x times x is x squared. Here we have minus times a plus, which is minus. 2 over 3 times 3 over 2, we are multiplying by the reciprocal, so the answer is 1. I can write here 1x, or it's better to write x, and we know that when we have a variable without writing the coefficient, definitely the coefficient will be 1. Okay, that's exercise 4. Now it's exercise 5. Develop each of the following products. F equal to a plus 3 multiplied by 3b minus 2. How to do it? I have to multiply 2a by 3b and then 2a by minus 2. That's the first step. It's 2a multiplied by 3b plus 2a multiplied by minus 2. Then what? That's 2a multiplied by each term. Then we move to 3 and multiply it by each term here. It's a plus 3 multiplied by 3b, and then plus 3 into minus 2. What to do here? 2a times 3b, 2 times 3 is 6. And here we have a times b. They are two variables, two unknown, so we don't know their value. I keep them. It's a times b. Plus, minus, it's minus. Keep in your mind. Sign, then the coefficient, then the variable. Okay? That's how we solve them. 2 times 2 is 4, and here we have a, we write a. Then, plus 3 into 3b. 3 times 3 is 9, and we write b. Plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Okay, that's part F. It's easy, but we need to practice. Okay, part G, 2x minus 3 into minus 3y minus 4. We need some practice, but I'm sure you are able to solve such a question. Now, 2x multiplied by minus 3y, and then 2x multiplied by minus 4. I can write it here. It's a plus 2x into minus 4, and then the next one, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3y, and the same, minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. Now let's solve it. we start by the signs. Plus and minus is minus. 2 times 3 is 6. X times y is x, y. Now, plus 2x into minus 4, plus minus is minus. 2 times 4 is 8, and we write the x. Now, minus 3 into 3y, minus with plus is minus. When we multiply different signs, the answer should be negative. 3 times 3 is 9, and we have y. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. Minus times minus is a plus, and 3 times 4 is 12. Next part. H equal 4x squared plus 1 multiplied by minus x plus 3. The same idea is applied always when we develop or expand. 4x squared multiplied by minus x, and then plus 4x squared multiplied by 3. Okay, then we have plus 1 multiplied by minus x, and plus 1 is multiplied by plus 3. Okay, how? 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, and x squared times x is x to the power 3. Again, x is the same as x power 1. We have the same base. I have to just add the exponent, okay? Now, plus 4x squared times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and we have x squared. Plus 1 minus x, plus times minus is minus, 1 times x is x. Plus 1 multiplied by plus 3, plus is a plus, and 1 times 3 is 3. Now part H is solved. Let's move to the last part in this exercise. I equal x cubed minus 2 into x squared plus 3. X cubed multiplied by x squared, and then x cubed multiplied by 3. Okay, then minus 2 is multiplied by x2, and minus 2 is multiplied by 3, or plus 3, it's the same. How? x3 times x2, same base, just add the exponent. Okay, we are applying here the rule a power m times a power n. It's the same as a power m plus n. We solved the rule before, and we know where did it come from. Now, x here, exponent 3 and exponent 2, I have to add them, so it's x to the power 5 plus x power 3 times 3, it's 3x power 3 minus 2x power 2, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Okay, that was exercise 5. Now, exercise 6, let's read the question together. Develop each of the following products. We have j into 4 minus 2x plus 1 into minus y minus 3. Here, how should I solve? Let's write the 4 first. I'm going to solve this. I'm multiplying minus 2x by minus y, then minus 2x by minus 3, and then 1 times minus y and 1 times minus 3. Okay, let's write them. Minus 2x times minus y minus 2x into minus 3 plus 1 into minus y plus 1 into minus 3. We will develop these first and then multiply the product by 4. So it's 4 into minus 2x times minus y, minus times minus is a plus, 2, x times y is xy. Now, minus 2x into minus 3, minus times minus is plus, 2 times 3 is 6, and we write the x. Again, plus 1 into minus y, plus times minus is minus, and 1 times y is y. Plus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Okay, here what do we have? xy, x, y, and 3. We can't add or subtract them. They have different variables. I can say that x times y is the same as x. No, here x is multiplied by another variable. Okay, what to do now? I have to multiply 4 by each term. So it's 4 into plus 2xy. You can write it in details, or I can directly say 4 times 2 is 8, and we write xy, plus 4 times 6 is 24, and we have x here. 4 into minus y is minus 4y, and 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. The last part here, it's k minus 2x. Please, when we finish that, you have to write them on your classwork copybook and then hand in your work in the assignment, okay? Don't forget that. It's minus 2x into 2x cubed minus 1 into minus 3x squared plus 2.